All right, good people. This is Andrew with Andrew's Complete Publishing. And right there you see my website where you can go and check out some things about me outside of my autobiography. Um, you will learn more about me. I'll get into that in a few minutes. There's my phone number. You can reach me at 510-852-9024. Call or text. I'm open. All right, so give me a second. Let me transition so I can sit down and you can see me. Hold on. All right. All right, so it's Andrea again. So basically, transition from the other Facebook pages that I was on to be able to just focus on one. I'm being obedient. God has shifted me to focus on one, and it's basically be talking about the tour that I'll be doing this year for 12 months. I plan to travel. I will be on the East Coast in June. I plan to do a couple workshops on the along the East Coast from New Jersey to Florida. So all you have to do is just reach out to me. You have the option to be a host, or either you can contact me to find out if there's one near you. So yes, this Facebook page is called This or That, and we'll get further into that in a few minutes. But basically, I'm organizing myself as God leads. This is what He wants me to do. So Wednesdays, you'll be hearing about On Guard. On Guard is a part of the tour, and it's basically a community. It is a class. It is a workbook as well as a workshop. So it's just a product that I will be promoting and pushing this year. That's what I do. It has to do with spiritual warfare assistance. And then that's Wednesdays. Fridays, it'll be relevant. You would be hearing information either about Unlocked, a mission for your book, or either the relevant program, which is a manuscript assistant program, basically helping you get your book published from cover to cover. All right, and so I'm going to shift in 1 second to show you why I have this here. But basically, yeah, so I'm no longer on any other Facebook page. This is the only one. So if you got this invite, that means that you are interested in what I'm doing. And I truly, truly thank you for your support and prayers and all of that good stuff. So hold on 1 second. All right, so let me open this back up so you can see the information. All right, so this right here, it is my autobiography. And it will basically share with you, for those who don't know me, my transition into being a wife, a mother, an evangelist / Christian counselor, author, and writing coach. I just celebrated my first year as a writing coach. But as far as the Christian counselor, I've been doing that going on 18 years now, as well as the wife and mother. They all came together. I've been an author since 2011, and I basically love helping people publish. And within that, that's where the Simply Andrew came about. It's just describing this is who I am, and that's why I'm pretty much just focusing on the path that God has me on right now. And you can learn a little more of that in this book, and it is on Amazon. All right, and this is what I was talking about, the This or That tour. So this pertains to the O for or. You see in the middle where it says OR. O stands for On Guard. On Guard basically is a spiritual warfare assistance workbook. This workbook is tied to 3 of my books, which is Why Submit to a Lie, Iniquities Must Die, and Prayer Shift. It's the workbook for those 3 books. Do you need those 3 books to do the workbook? No, but they are helpful with a lot of the exercises that's in there. This workbook, this program is full of exercises, just things to help you get your house in order, whether it's your spiritual house or your natural house. But it's an arsenal. So it's going to help you be able to store your armory. You're going to be an arsenal. You're going to be able to store your weapons. So when the attack comes, you will be able to efficiently fight. All right. So the R stands for relevant. And that pretty much is a program that will help you with your manuscript. All right. So that's where this, meaning the on guard, or that, which is the relevant program, all in the same day. So the awesome thing about this tour is that you have the option to do this, to be a host, or either to contact me to find out if there's a workshop near you. So that's the amazing thing about that. And I will be on the East Coast in June, and I plan on being from New Jersey to Florida. And it does not have to be in a church. It can be in your house. And long as it's a minimum of 5 people, I will be there. All right. So that's what this Facebook page is about. That's the tour. And that's what Andra's about this year. The This or That or Both tour. And that's basically having me for a day and giving people the option to participate in either one or the other workshop. All right. So a little something else that I encourage and let people join in on is the Mother's Day book, or the Mother's book. Basically, you have until this Friday to turn in 100 words pertaining to saluting your mother, encouraging a new mother, or either how God, give a testimony of how God helped you raise your children. All right. And then the great thing about it is, yes, I said Friday, but the Father's Day book is coming. It'll be a tribute to fathers. And basically, same thing. Give your same testimony. You can salute your father, encourage a new father, or either share how God has blessed you raise your children. All right. So that's one thing. Now, this is awesome because this is complimentary of Andra's Complete Publishing. There is no money involved. All you're doing is submitting 100 words pertaining to the topics that we're talking about. And that's it. All right. So what I'm about to talk to you next about, this is a part of Andra's Complete Publishing. But this one, there is a fee. This is a fee because you have the option to choose from 4 of your friends or individuals, but basically y'all come together on one topic of your choice. Y'all sit down with me 6 times, and we are going to be on a 90-minute session. We're going to do interaction on Facebook and all that other fun stuff pertaining to you getting published about your topic and how you feel. You know, get your personality there, because everybody has a voice. Everybody has a message, and everybody has a mission. And that's what God created me to be, to help you do that. So there you have it. The This or That tour. This is what Andra is all about. You could learn more in my autobiography. It is on Amazon. And I would love for you to invest not just in yourself, but also in me. And you will not regret it. So if you would like to reach out to me, again, my phone number is 510-852-9024. Or you can email me at Andra, Andra with an S, publishing@gmail.com. You have a great evening.